Well, here we came to see a house. They called us to do an estimate. What I wanted to show you is what we look for when doing a walkthrough. We base it on the house, how far it is from where you are located in, how bad is it, and what do they want. Before I continue, please comment below how would you charge for this house. Remember that everyone in the comments may be from other states or countries. Please be nice, and I hope you love this walkthrough. Let's see if you can see these ceiling fans. All of it here. What we do is remove all the lamps, clean them, and then return them back to their place. All of this is very, very bad. As you can see here, not sure if you're able to see it well, all the walls are all in a bad condition. There are walls where you are not able to clean and others that will allow us to clean them. This is all depending on the type of paint the homeowner used. Here are the light outlets. Like I said before, the price all depends on the condition of the home, estimating the time you will do, and let's not forget how many people you will need to finish the job. Here is the blinds, and you can't really see it, but they are definitely dirty. All of that is what we need to check during the estimate, alongside with the window seals, window tracks, and the window itself. This all depends on how the home is left in. That is what we are going to be going through and base the price in. All of this is very mistreated. Definitely needs a really good deep cleaning. We do carpet cleaning, so we have to make sure to look at that and provide an estimate. Check how many bedrooms. All areas are charged separately. Let's see now. Here we have the kitchen. This definitely will be a challenge. If we get this price wrong, it will come out of our own pocket. So make sure to check the home's condition, each area, and calculate your time wisely. There are many different types of cleaners, and some of you may say that you wouldn't do this type. So before we continue, I just want to mention that there is a booking system that Caroline from LimpiezaConCarolina has for anybody who is looking for house cleaners, or for house cleaners that are looking for more customers or help organize their business. So here we're going to show you just a little bit of the website. What it does is in each page it has questionnaires for customers who are looking for house cleaners in their areas. This means that if they are interested in you and your page, they will fill out the questionnaire and then wait for your call, text, or email. So let's take a look at this one. She has her own website. She has a cover on top, and it has her name of her business, the location, the phone number, the email. So you're not paying for anything other than just a monthly subscription to be able to access certain things on the website. If the customer wants to give you a call, they can, and you're not going to be charged for just clicking a button or anything like that. You'll only be charged for using certain things from the website. So for example, the price is set at $0 for the basics, so you can just register, and if you like it, if you want to know a little bit more, then you can just pay $35 more per month. And at the moment it is a special. Not sure if it will change in the future. So as you can see here, if the customer likes what they see on top, they'll get a free quote by just selecting the type of service that they would like. So if they only want a one-time, a move out, a weekly, bi-weekly, a monthly, an office, or other, they'll select it. After that, they should be selecting bedrooms, bathrooms, living rooms, kitchen, if it's small, medium, large, or extra large, oven, refrigerators, dining area, and then the condition that the home is in, and the opinion of the customer. How soon would they need the service? And then their full name, phone number, email, address, city, and zip code. And then they would just press get my quote. And you would receive an email towards your email address, and they would receive an email as well confirming the email has been sent, and all they have to do is wait for their call. After that, we do have other competitions around the website on your web. If you want to remove all of that, that's why the $35 is there. The standard of the $35 per month includes, but not limited to, at the moment, estimates online, sending estimates, appointments by email, edit prices, expenses, photo, cover and profile photo, service pictures, video on your page, no other advertisements of another business, as you can see here, form to get estimates, make appointments, and the flexibility to see and search appointments per day, week, and month. That definitely comes in handy when it comes down to taxes. So if you are looking for something like that, it definitely does help. So that is pretty much it about this Kate booking system. If you want to know more, the link will be on the description below. Other than that, we'll be getting started with the video. Thank you. A job, but all of this will come out. And we love to see the after cleaning. Remember that for this type of home, it's always best to charge per area. Do not provide them a package of all the areas together without having the prices set individually. This will help when the customer tries to remove areas or even tasks. We have to also ask the customer if the home will be completely empty, as in nothing in the cabinets, nothing in the closets. If there is, make sure to charge extra. Time is your business. If they say all the items are trash, it helps a lot in just throwing everything away. If they say some is trash and others are not, that's extra on top of the extra. Not only will you have to separate or help them choose the items, depending on the customer, it will cost you time. Right now, we are only here to provide an estimate. We are not here to complete the work. Let's hope they choose us so we can provide you with an after video. Let's head to the bathroom. Let's make sure that they have electricity. It's very important to have it in order for the job to be completed. We have to make sure in the bathrooms to check the soap scum, hard water, and how bad it is on the walls, baseboards, cabinets. Basically everything has to be checked. Okay, so we're done here. Here's the other areas. We have to check each one during the walkthrough. Right now we do not have the customer with us. We were allowed to walk in without him. It definitely helps provide a better estimate. We don't have to rush or think fast. We can take our time in checking each area and thinking about the condition and time it will take. If you are doing a walkthrough with a customer, make sure to check all areas, take it slow, ask questions. Every room and bathroom we enter is in a very bad condition. We've seen worse, but this definitely is in the same category as the others. I also want to mention that the ceiling, we can't do much with it except dust it down. Looking at everything helps to check if there is any broken blinds or broken doors, so that if the customer were to be a bad customer, you can inform them that the blind or door was already broken before you provided the estimate. I also recommend to record before you clean, just because if the customer wants to blame you for something damaged that you didn't do, you have proof. So make sure to look at all the areas, because by the end of this video, you'll be providing me with your own quotes. I want to see how you guys charge. And oh my goodness, this bathroom will be the toughest to complete since there is no lighting, and lighting is necessary when you want to finish the job correctly. There are many details you might miss because it's dark and you may believe it's finished, so think about that time cost of this restroom. Here's the soap scum that we must always check if the home has some. So much soap scum for this restroom. This is like winning a lottery in the house cleaning business, because when you see the before and after effect, the faces and reactions you have of the customer afterwards is the best feeling you can have. This restroom will take a lot of work, and it's much easier than hard water. I'd rather have soap scum than hard water any day. But I have to mention that the paste of the tile, if it has any black surrounding paste, that's something we unfortunately cannot clean. That's a job for someone who remodels bathrooms. Thank you for watching another video. The link of the original video will be linked on the description below. I hope that the translating videos that I post for Limpieza con Carolina helps you in your house cleaning. She has a lot more tips, and I'll definitely be translating all her videos throughout this channel, because I know that there's a lot of people on the comment section that are asking for tips in English. They understand it, but not completely, and they would wish for it to be in English. So I decided to make videos just translating it to English. So if you want to see more, make sure to be updating yourself with my YouTube channel. Once a week on a Saturday, we'll be uploading new videos. Leave a comment on the section below. I hope you have a great day. Bye.